Hello, my lovely readers. Welcome back. Today I brought a little bit surprise for you. It says Peppa's Storytime House, and it have 8 Peppa Pig storybooks, 6 card characters, and house to play with. Wow, super cute. Let's unwrap this. It looks super cool. Ta-da-da. Oops, from here we have to. From here we have to open this. Right. And there are some books. Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, Happy, George, Peppa says please, Peppa, surprise, and sharing, and the cards was here. Okay, I think we have to attach these to these. Let's see how it's gonna. So the house is gonna be like this. Then we can do. So just now we'll keep the house like this. Okay. Now. Okay, so we can keep like this. Okay, Peppa and George in the bed, sleeping lightly. And the daddy and the mommy pig is in the kitchen, or we can put mommy pig in the washroom and daddy pig in the kitchen, and a grandpa pig and granny pig is in their living room. Beautiful. We will see you again with another adventurous story. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
BookTube Kids.